The equipment you choose today will be working in your business for the next decade, maybe longer, so you need to get it right. The brands, the layout, the support after installation. That's what Treadway Equip does. We supply premium equipment built to last, engineered for precision and designed for New Zealand conditions. But equipment's only part of the picture. We design your layout for workflow and efficiency. We install everything to spec, we commission it properly, and then we train your people thoroughly. From family workshops adding a bay, through to dealerships building from the ground up, we know this is a significant investment. That's why we back every project with our 100-day satisfaction promise. Not happy? We repair it, replace it, or refund it. That's simple. Equipment that earns its keep, layouts that make sense, and partnerships that last. That's Treadway Equipped. Let's plan your workshop properly.